Hi, it's Brian with the Home, Health, and Wealth Expo that's coming up Friday, April 3rd, over at Tuscany Ballroom in Pebble Creek, and that's in Goodyear from 10 until 2. So we're going to have 34 vendors, lots of food, free appetizers, free admission, and hourly raffles, just to mention a few things. But we're honored to have one of the vendors, one of the 34 vendors is here, Mari. Hi, Mari. How are you?
Hi, doing great, thank you.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, can you let people know who you are, what you do, and how can they get in touch with you? That'd be great.
Thank you, Brian. I'm Mari with Mari's Cleaning Services, and we've been in business for over 33 years with a five-star rating. We help business owners and professionals take their time back by keeping their homes consistently cleaned, organized, and stress-free. What really sets us apart is reliability. You're not wondering if we're going to show up or if we need to redo something. We handle it right the first time. Most of our clients start with a one-time clean and quickly move into recurring service because they love walking into a home that not only smells clean and looks amazing and just feels well done. If you or someone you know is tired of spending weekends cleaning, we would love to help. We also provide free cleaning for cancer patients. So if you're interested in that or you know someone that is going through a difficult time, you go to cleaningforareason.org and get signed up, and they'll book you with me, and we'd be very happy to help you. You can reach us at 623-266 9051. That's 623-266 9051. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Mari. Yeah, so again, if you can't wait until Friday, reach out to her today, tomorrow, Monday, and get your house clean. She does a great job. Again, you're going to meet her in person. You're going to learn about the services that she provides and about that cleaning, the free cleaning for cancer patients is invaluable. So, Mari, thank you so much for being here. And for the
Thank you.
public, again, come on out Friday and meet our 34 vendors. It's a beautiful venue. It's my ninth venue that I've had out here in Pebble Creek, and it's over in Goodyear. So we look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.